Hello and welcome back to the channel, guys. Today's vlog is about every person works for the whole day and comes back to rest at home. The thing is that what I'm basically telling you all is about we have booked something online. That is nothing but the bed. This is a Wakefit mattress. I just ordered it. This is a Wakefit mattress. I've just ordered it online and I've got this for 10,420 rupees. And one more thing I need to tell, guys, it was delivered within almost approximate 6 to 7 days. If you can check my room, it's renovated, completely renovated. This is how it looks now. This is how it looks, and there's my wife again. There is Siri.
Hi Siri.
Hi. And guys, now we are going to unbox this. This is approximately, my god. I'll put on my bed. So guys, Siri is afraid. The flash. It is so small, it's so thin. If you can see, check out here. I'll pull this off. It's so huge. Oh my god. And for now, I'll keep this aside. So it's very nice, and it's Orthopedic memory foam mattress, and it's a warranty card information. They've mentioned a lot of things, handling this and all. So for this, I'll put this up. I basically need a knife for this. They have given me this unboxing guide as well. What kind of shit I told. This. So open the box inside of the mattress and position your rolled up mattress on bed. And cut here. They mentioned cut here. Yeah, this is the part, I believe. Yes, that's the part. So I'll start cutting now from this knife itself. This is not at all working. I'm able to manage things. No, this is not able to. I'm not able to cut with it. Yes. From here I'll try. They've just told me it will take 20 minutes in order to open up. Then later on it will take almost approximately 24 to 48 hours in order to get 100% of its size. Now it will gain its 80% of the size. It's really hard to cut. It's expanding by itself. So, if you can see, yeah. expanded. This is how it comes. Final moment. Done. Oh my god. This is so beautiful. Oh. The size is perfect from my bed. Is this fine? So they just told me I'll place a bottle there. Let me check. See, check. You can check. See, the bottle is full and it's not even shaking. Can you check? I'm playing here. Not even a piece, nothing is happening. I'll have a glass of water. How do you feel? You feel better? It's so good, right? Soft. Guys, on a serious note, paying 10,000 for this bed really mean it. And this is the mess we have made while opening the bed. If you can see the floor, it's changed. It's of grey color, and this is where the Himalayan gets parked. I'll bring inside now. You can see I'll clean up the mess and get the vehicle inside. So my wife is putting all the bedspread on that, and this was suggested by my sister Shilpa, and it's really nice. She recommended me this. She bought it for 25,000 rupees, but the price has been reduced to how much? Like 10,420 rupees, as I told you before itself. You have a zip cover here as well. If you can check, if you can remove this, this is what the foam we have got. Can you see the foam? I'll focus things better. This is the foam we have got. We can remove this, wash this, place it back. If you have not subscribed to my channel, do subscribe, do comment, do share. Do watch my previous videos, that is taking the delivery of Royal Enfield Himalayan. So this is the final setup of the bed, guys. This is how it looks. Sorry for the noise, that's of a fan. That's nice, isn't it? Thank you for watching, guys.